Let's get a divorce.
Why? Why are you suddenly saying this? For the kids, do you have to be so ruthless? Can't we talk it over?
No need to discuss. Just sign it. I've already signed. Once you sign, we're even. You blew through my $30,000 dowry and had the nerve to ask my mom for $15,000 for rent. That's when I saw right through your schemes. This crappy marriage, I stopped caring a long time ago.
Ladies, look. I finally have a big, chunky grandson. Takes after our Zhou family. He's so handsome, haha. Warning. You had the baby yourselves, so you take care of it. I'm going on a trip with my friends.
Didn't he promise to help with the baby after childbirth? And now he's off having fun. Mingyuan. Working late at the company today.
It's been really busy at the company lately. I can't get away. Just hang in there on your own.
Mom, what are you doing here?
If I hadn't come, I wouldn't have known how hard it was for you. Don't worry, Mom's here.
When I was at my weakest after giving birth, Mom was the one who truly supported me. I never thought that because of Mom, I'd see my in-laws for who they really are.
My dear in-law, you need to pay us $15,000. You've been staying here for a month. Water, electricity, gas, groceries, and cooking, diapers, and formula, everything costs money. Ming Yuan and I calculated it all clearly.
Mom, how can you say that?
Himph. How can you say that? Am I wrong?
Warning, it's better to keep clear accounts in the family. It's not like we're strangers.
Strangers? My mom is a stranger.
She's not really part of this family.
She's not part of your family. Then where were you when I needed you? All these days after childbirth, my mom bought the groceries, the baby's formula, and diapers. Everything came from her pocket. My mom worked from dawn to dusk taking care of me and the baby. Neither of you showed up at all. Now how do you have the nerve to ask for money?
She's your own mother. It's what she's supposed to do. Just settle the money and go back. We'll also need to call the cleaning service to tidy up and disinfect.
Disinfect.
We usually keep things pretty clean. If you come over from now on, please be more mindful too. If there's nothing important, you don't need to come often.
Okay. I'll pay this money on behalf of my mom.
No. Your money is also family money. We can't give it like that. Your mom should be the one to bear this.
Let me pay, it's fine.
The money between Zhou Mingyuan and me has always been managed separately. Today, either I pay, or this matter ends here.
Fine, considering you just gave birth, let's leave it at that.
Mom, don't be sad. You've already suffered enough for me.
Wanting, it's Mom who's useless. I've let you suffer in this family.
Mom, you're the best mom in the world. Trust me, I'll handle this in a reasonable way.
Wanting, don't be impulsive. Mom just wants you to be safe and sound.
Don't worry, I know my limits. Mom, from now on, I won't let anyone bully you. Let me protect you and the baby.
Make sure to disinfect properly. I heard there are a lot of germs in the countryside. Don't leave any dirty stuff behind.
Warning. If anything happens, call mom immediately.
Take care on the road.
Now it's nice and clean.
I'll make you regret asking for that $15,000 for accommodation fees.
Warning, I've been out for a month and my skin got rough. Later, Mingyuan will take me to the beauty salon to get a good treatment. You stay home and watch the baby. Remember to prepare dinner. Oh, and I have some unwashed clothes in my suitcase. If you have time, help wash and organize them. Now that you've finished the month, you should slowly get back to managing the household.
My mum is right. You've rested long enough. It's time to slowly get used to household chores.
Okay.
Honey, I knew you were the most sensible.
Go now, don't keep mom waiting long.
Just got 15,000 yesterday, soon I'll add some money to the card.
Oh.
The grievances my mom suffered, I will make them pay back every bit of it. Hello, it's me. Help me handle something. Yeah, the stability you thought you had life is just beginning.
Where are you? Something huge happened at home.
Mom.
Warning, why are you back? You didn't even tell us in advance. So I could pick you up.
I missed you, so I came back.
Have you eaten?
I saved my appetite to eat with you.
Silly girl, mom will make you something right now.
What's wrong? Everything at home is fine. What could happen?
Fine, it's far from fine. Mingyuan is frantic. Oh, it's hard to explain over the phone. Where are you now? Come back quickly and see. If you don't come back soon, the house will fall apart.
Are you kidding? Mingyuan has always been steady. What could make him act like this?
Oh, it's hard to explain over the phone. Where are you now? Come back quickly and see. If you don't come back soon, the house will fall apart.
Oh, I'm staying at my mum's place now. You guys handle whatever it is yourselves.
Why? How did it come to this?
It must be Shen Wanying's doing. She hired people to handle the home renovation.
Answer the phone, please answer.
The number you dialed has been disconnected.
My house. What are we going to do now?
Warning, you suddenly came back. Does Mingyuan and your mother-in-law know?
Yes.
Then didn't they say anything?
Mom, don't worry about me. From today on, what happens on their side has nothing to do with us.
Warning, marriage is for happiness. If you feel unhappy, mom supports any decision you make.
Because she sees my grievances. Because she, more than anyone, wants me to live well. When I was 7, I had a persistent high fever. She knelt on the ground, crying and begging the doctor to save me. She also stayed by my side for 3 days and nights, without closing her eyes once. She has always been, in her own way, doing everything she could to protect me. Mom.
As long as you're all right, that's all that matters. Don't be afraid. Even if the sky falls, Mom will hold it up for you.
Yeah, I know. This home is forever my harbor and my support. See, this is what a home should be like.
Warning, don't play dumb. Did you do what happened at home?
How did you get here?
Warning, don't play dumb. Did you do what happened at home?
Mom, what are you saying? What happened at home? I don't understand.
Stop pretending. We asked the property management, and we checked the situation. We know everything. It was you who contacted the original renovation team, and had all the decorations removed and restored, right?
Yes, it was me.
Why? Do you have any idea how much this affects us? That is our wedding house. Our home. Why did you do this? What did my mom and I ever do to you for you to treat us like this?
Treat? Zhou Mingyuan. You keep saying that's our home. But when I just had the baby and no one took care of me, why didn't you think it was home then? My mother worked hard to look after me during my confinement, and when she was asked to share the expenses, why didn't you think it was home then?
Just for that you had to ruin the house like this? Chen Wanning, I didn't know you were so petty.
Petty? Don't forget. Who was it that proposed to my mother to share the living expenses? Who was it that kept such meticulous accounts? Ask yourself, who is really the one being excessive?
Ming Yuan, look at the fine wife you married. Holding a grudge over a little money. Our Zhou family is truly...
Chen Wanning, when elders live in the house, what's wrong with sharing some expenses? A family being clear and transparent, isn't that right?
Very well, clear and transparent. Since you like to keep accounts straight, then today I'll settle accounts with you properly. When we got married, I understood your difficulties and didn't ask for a bride price. Nor did I mention any material conditions. I paid for the entire wedding banquet. I even gave a dowry of $43,000. The so-called wedding house you mentioned was just a rough property. I used my personal funds to pay $34,000 for decoration.
You're just being unreasonable. We are the ones living in the house. If you tear it down, how will we live?
That's something you'll have to deal with. Just like when I was going through my hardest times, you never considered me.
You married into our family, so your money is the family's money. Just because of a small matter, did you have to go this far?
It's not about money. It's that you made me realize that in your hearts, interests matter more than affection. I'm just using the way you treated me to treat you. Why can't you accept that?
Even if my mom was wrong, you can't do it this way. That is our home. You stripped the house completely. How are we supposed to live here?
Everyone, come and judge for yourselves. A family living together, how can they be so petty? My home.
Wanning. Does it have to come to this? Even if my mom made a mistake, we are still husband and wife.
Husband and wife. A marriage full of calculation and neglect is not what I want. Let's get divorced.
Late. Wanning. We've been together for so many years. We have a child together. Do you really want a divorce?
It's because of the child that I have to get a divorce. I can't let him grow up in this environment full of scheming. I'll take the child. I won't claim the renovation costs, but my $300,000 dowry, you have to return it to me.
That $300,000 was already spent on family expenses. I can't come up with it.
After marriage, the household expenses and mortgage have always been paid by me. We both know where that money went.
My mother's daily living costs money everywhere.
That's your mother's personal expenses, nothing to do with me. Return the money within 3 days. Or we'll settle it in court.
Shen Wanning, you're being unreasonable. We can't possibly come up with that much money.
If you can't, we can legally dispose of the property.
Don't even think about it. This house is ours.
I just want what's mine.
Do you have to be so ruthless about this?
Ruthless. When you asked my mother for money and nickel and dimed everything, you didn't think it was ruthless then. I gave everything to this family, and you took it for granted. Now when I demand fairness, I'm the one being ruthless. Isn't that hypocritical? Every cent of the renovation came out of my own pocket. Is it wrong for me to take back what's mine?
What good does this do you? What will people think?
I'm just protecting my legal rights. Since you showed no consideration, I don't need to keep up appearances either. Have the money ready in 3 days, and we'll never bother each other again.
Wanting. Have you really made up your mind?
I've never been more sure.
Restoring the house to its original condition will cost a lot. You should be the one to pay for it.
If you don't pay within 3 days, we'll go through legal proceedings.
You'll regret this.
Warning, look at the link. They're posting false information online, saying you cheated someone into marriage for money. Now a lot of people are cursing you out.
Dear netizens, we really had no choice but to share our family situation with you. After our son got married, we've been working hard to maintain the family. But because of family conflicts, my daughter-in-law insisted on separating. She even reclaimed the entire renovation she paid for. Now our lives are severely impacted.
I know she just had a baby, so her emotions are bound to fluctuate. But I hope she can calm down so we can talk things through.
Wanning, if you're watching, I hope you'll really think about this. Families can solve problems through communication.
If you're willing to talk and clear things up, we can explain it was all a misunderstanding. Otherwise, this is only going to get messier.
Since you want to use public opinion to pressure me, then I'll fight back with facts and the law. Regarding the recent online controversy about me, I won't argue or stir things up. I'll just present the full facts and all the evidence truthfully. This is a post my mother-in-law shared the day after I gave birth. She left on the day I delivered for a whole month. When my mother found out I had no one to take care of me, she came that very night. Throughout the entire postpartum month, she worked day and night, caring for me and the baby attentively. She never complained once. The day my confinement ended, my mother-in-law asked my mother to share the household expenses. Here's the transfer receipt from then. My mother gave her time for free, and in the end, she was asked to pay. They claim I damaged the house. The whole renovation cost $238,000, all paid by me. I've also been paying the mortgage myself. I'm just taking back what's mine. They tried to use public opinion to force me to give in. But I won't back down. I'll handle the rest through proper legal channels.
I feel so bad for the female lead. It's really tough having in-laws like that.
That mother-in-law and her family went way too far. I truly feel for Shen Wanning.
All alone during her postpartum month, no one to help. Anyone would be heartbroken.
Support the female lead in legally defending all her rights.
Shen Wanning, delete the video right now. Do you realize how big you've made this?
I'm just stating the facts and showing evidence. Back when you were nickel and diming us and mistreating my mother, why didn't you think about negotiating? When I needed care the most, where were you?
My mom is old. Do you have to push her to the edge? I'm warning you for the last time, delete the video and apologize now, and we can still talk. Otherwise, you'll face the consequences.
The ones who really pushed me to this point are you. I gave you a chance to reconcile, but you gave it up. From now on, everything will be handled through legal procedures.
Miss Shen, you are the calmest person I've ever met and especially good at keeping evidence. That way, our chances of winning the case are high.
I just want to get my premarital property back and fight for custody of our child.
The key to this case is proving that the 300,000 yuan was your personal dowry. As long as this point is accepted by the court, combined with the fact that the decoration and mortgage were both borne by you, our chances of winning are very high.
Lawyer Lin, I entrust this case entirely to you.
She actually filed a lawsuit. The house is registered under your name. What right does she have to take a share of the profits? I don't care, the divorce must not happen. Even if it does, she can't take a single cent. Let me tell you, Zhou Mingyuan, if you dare to divorce her, I won't recognize you as my son.
Warning, stop the legal proceedings. Let's talk again.
Good, keep all the records. Also, the pre-litigation asset preservation we applied for has been approved. The court has frozen, according to law, the bank account under Zhou Mingyuan's name, equivalent to the 300,000 yuan dowry, the funds in that account. He cannot transfer this money.
Everyone, be the judge. I raised my child with all my hard work, but after he got married, he's been wronged everywhere. Now even his home is unstable.
Oh, sis, your health was never good to begin with, and now facing so many problems, it's really disheartening.
Everyone, come and judge. What has our Zhou family done to deserve this? Miss Shen, your in-law has been saying a lot at the village entrance. It's having a bad influence on Wanning.
That's too much.
Mom, don't go.
We can't let them spread such nonsense.
If you go argue with them now, you'll just be playing into their hands. Trust me, they won't last long.
That Shen Wanning is an ungrateful wretch. She cheated us out of our house, and cheated us out of our money.
You're making such a scene, it's disturbing our lives. Leave now. If you don't leave, I'll call the police.
Why aren't you defending me? We're the ones being wronged.
We know the ins and outs of the matter. You can't be so unreasonable.
We know the Shen family's character well. We've been friends for so many years. I still have things to do at home. I'll get going now.
All right, I need to head back too. Take care, sis.
If you keep this up, we'll have to ask the authorities to intervene.
All right, go on back. Stop causing trouble here. Wanting. Mom used to think that if we just endured it, it would pass. Today, I realized that always backing down only makes people bolder. My daughter has grown up. You did the right thing.
Why are you calling?
Mom, something's wrong. Our bank cards seem to be frozen. I just asked at the bank. It's pre-litigation asset preservation. Shen Wanning applied to the court for it. They only froze an amount equal to the 300,000 compensation. To prevent asset transfer, now we have no money left to use.
She's being too ruthless. She wants to drive us into a corner. She wants the house all to herself.
If he's being so heartless, don't blame us for not leaving any wiggle room. If he wants a lawsuit, we'll see it through.
We must not lose. Go hire the best lawyer. We must protect our rights. He can't take a single cent. Custody of the child we must also fight for.
Just because of some small household expenses, she's been holding a grudge. Not only did she dispose of the home renovations, she also posted a lot online. Now she's suing us and freezing accounts.
Mr. Zhou, I understand your situation. The woman is experiencing significant postpartum mood swings. Her behavior is quite impulsive. Pre-litigation preservation is just a routine procedure. No need to be overly nervous.
So, do we have a chance of winning? Can we protect our rights?
Don't worry, I have a litigation strategy. I can help you maximize the protection of your legal rights. Not to mention 300,000, we can also reasonably claim corresponding compensation.
Lawyer Wang, how exactly are you going to help me?
In a divorce case, it all comes down to the judge, which side's argument he finds more reasonable. She paid for the renovation and brought a dowry. The evidence is solid. Fighting hard won't work in our favor. Our core strategy is to convince the court that Shen Wanning had significant mood swings after giving birth. She wasn't stable. That way, the judge will be more inclined to rule in your favor on custody and property.
She's the one who showed no mercy first.
Good, that's exactly the right approach. She's been emotionally unstable anyway. How can she take good care of the child? The child must be under our care. And the house should be ours too.
All right, let's go with this plan.
You go find relatives and friends. Ask them to testify. Say that after she had the baby, her mood changed drastically. She often got irritable and wasn't stable. If enough people say it, the court will be more likely to believe it.
Hello, who is this?
Hello, is this the mother of Shen Wanning? I'm acting on behalf of Mr. Zhou Mingyuan as a family mediator. I'd like to ask you about Wanning's recent mood and condition.
I'm a bit busy right now. Let's talk later. Wanning. What's going on?
It's their litigation strategy. Zhou Mingyuan's lawyer wants to challenge my mental state to fight for custody of the child, and to avoid returning my dowry. They deliberately tried to get information from you.
How could they do this? For the sake of gain, they'd stoop to such tactics.
They have no bottom line left. Mom, I told you before. From now on, if any stranger calls asking about me, don't say anything, and remember to record the call.
Excuse me, is this Aunt Shen's home?
Who are you?
You must be Miss Wanning, right? I'm a consultant sent by Mr. Zhou to check on your postpartum recovery. No other intention, just out of concern.
A doctor from the city. Please come in, please come in. Please come in. We country folk don't know about these things. Sorry for troubling you to come all this way.
Auntie, don't be nervous. We'll just chat casually. After Wanning gave birth, did she have any mood swings?
Oh, hasn't she just? When a woman gives birth, it's hard on the body and hard on the heart.
So is she more sensitive? Does she get upset over little things, emotionally unstable?
Young people have a hard time raising kids, some moodiness is normal.
Auntie, tell me the truth. It's very important for understanding her condition. After giving birth, did Wanning often lose control, being harsh with family and the baby?
Doctor. My daughter, she's just too bitter inside. Wanting, Mom knows how to handle this. This is what they want, listen.
Mom.
Silly child, why cry? Whoever tries to wrong my daughter, I'll protect you.
Attorney Lin.
Miss Shen, this recording is crucial. The other party illegally induced testimony. This evidence can directly overturn all charges against you. We're a sure win.
Things went well, listen.
Even though Auntie didn't say it directly, the content is good enough to use.
In court, I'll present it properly, so the judge agrees Miss Shen was unstable postpartum.
Attorney Wang. Is this appropriate?
Litigation is about strategy. If you go soft, you might end up losing both the house and the kid. Would you be okay with that?
No, of course not. Tell me what to do, and I'll do it.
That's the spirit. The recording alone isn't enough. Let's find a few more relatives to testify in court. Just say they saw Shen Wanning looking emotionally unstable. Details can be reasonably explained to add credibility.
I understand. I'll get on it right away. Wanning, tomorrow's mediation is your last chance. Don't be stubborn.
You two were once married, and you have a child together. I hope you can communicate rationally and resolve it as peacefully as possible. It's better for the child.
Mediator, we came here to negotiate in good faith. To show our sincerity, we will first propose a mediation plan. Our side has 3 conditions. First, custody of the child goes to Mr. Zhou Mingyuan. We believe Miss Shen, due to significant postpartum mood swings, is not suitable for the child's upbringing. Second, Miss Shen must provide a reasonable explanation for the recent online controversy, and she must bear responsibility for the impact of the property disposal. Third, regarding the 300,000 yuan dowry Miss Shen claims, we will not pursue it. It will be directly offset against compensation for the emotional distress caused to Mr. Zhou and his family.
Lawyer Wang, with all due respect, your mediation proposal is completely detached from facts and reason. There is no basis for negotiation.
Lawyer Lin, please mind your words. We are acting in good faith.
Your good faith is fighting for custody, demanding unreasonable compensation, and evading returning premarital property. That's not good faith. Those are unreasonable demands. Mediator, thank you for your efforts. But our side believes there is no need to mediate with a party that ignores facts and reason. We reject mediation. We'll wait for the court's verdict. Wanning, let's go.
Shen Wanning, this is your last chance. We will use the law to protect all our rights. You will bear all the consequences.
Miss Shen, ignore him. We'll follow the procedure.
Don't get too cocky. In court, let's see how you win.
I'll be waiting.
Warning, how did it go?
It didn't work out, Mom. I was prepared. I can't let my child grow up in an environment full of scheming and lies. This isn't just a divorce case. It's a battle to protect my child.
Lawyers like Wanning and Wang Jikan are good at blurring the focus. They question the client's mental state. Wanning, you need to be prepared. He'll try to paint you as someone emotionally unstable.
This is their go-to move in custody battles. Will they get relatives to give false testimony?
Very likely. The Zhou family relatives will probably testify as they're told. They'll say you had severe postpartum mood swings and didn't take good care of the child.
I understand. Attorney Lin, no matter what tactics they use, I won't be afraid. I trust the law.
Your calm and rationality are our strongest weapon. Don't worry, we have a response for every move they make.
Hello.
Sister-in-law, it's me, Zhou Min.
Zhou Min.
Sister-in-law, I can't go against my conscience. They're arranging for relatives to give false testimony in court. They're deliberately framing you. I'm sorry, sister-in-law. I really can't go along with their lies. Aunt-in-law, to win the case, she's already thrown reason out the window.
What did they ask you to do? Give me the details.
This afternoon, they called all the relatives to the hometown. They said you weren't in good shape after giving birth. To get custody of the child, they want us to lie in court.
So they're saying I didn't take proper care of the child, that I was bad to him, right? Tell me more specifically.
Sister-in-law, how did you know? They made us all agree on a story. They'll falsely claim to have seen you being harsh with the baby when he cried, and generally being neglectful in taking care of him. But that's his own grandson. They're forcing all the relatives to agree to testify. Even my parents have already caved and agreed. And they're forcing me to testify, too. The opposing lawyer has already coached them on what to say. Every word is planned out.
So you called me specifically to tell me this?
Yeah, sister-in-law. I just can't stand by. I can't watch them maliciously destroy you.
Thank you, Zhou Min.
But I really don't have the courage to testify in court for you. If I do, my parents will definitely blame me severely. I'm so sorry, sister-in-law.
I understand. I won't put pressure on you. You telling me this has already helped me a lot. Take care of yourself.
No. Even though I dare not go to court, I have evidence. This afternoon when they taught us to lie, I secretly recorded it. The recording is complete. How Aunt bullied us, how she taught us to make up lies, and Ming Yuan echoing her. It's all recorded.
Good.
I'll send it to you now. After you get it, don't ever say I gave it to you.
Zhou Min, I'll remember this favor.
When the judge questions you, all of you act pitiful. Say that after Shen Wanning gave birth, her personality changed drastically, and she's been emotionally unstable.
Mom is right. As long as we convince the judge that she's mentally unstable, the custody of the child will definitely be ours.
Wanning, this recording is crucial. With this evidence, their fabricated material evidence will collapse immediately. Wang Jikan is determined to use dirty tricks in the lawsuit. Now let them reap what they sow.
Then should we adjust our strategy for tomorrow's trial?
Of course, we need to adjust. Tomorrow in court, we won't show our hand first. Stay calm. Let them finish their prepared lies, their rehearsed statements, act it all out to their heart's content. When they're most immersed in their act in court, and their testimony sounds most certain, that's when we'll present this recording, use it as the decisive, hard evidence, and reveal it outright. One strike to win the case.
Court is now in session.
Your Honor. The marital conflict arose mainly due to the wife's postpartum mood swings. To prove this, we request to call the witness, Miss Zhang Guifang. Miss Zhang, please tell the court whether after Miss Shen gave birth, you checked on her and the baby.
Yes. Yes, Mingyuan mentioned it several times.
And what did he say?
He said that after Wanning gave birth, she changed a lot. Her mood was really bad. When the baby cried at night, he was often impatient. Sometimes he would even leave the baby alone in the room. Your Honor, the baby is so young. It's really worrying. Please carefully consider the child's upbringing environment.
Your Honor, the witness's testimony has shown that Miss Shen's current condition is not suitable for raising a young child alone.
When was the last time you saw the child? And where?
It was around the middle of last month.
Which specific day in the middle? At Mr. Zhou's house? In the living room or bedroom?
I don't remember.
Your Honor, the witness's memory is clearly flawed. My client has complete records to help refresh her memory. Exhibit 1, Shen Wanning's high-speed rail records and the village committee's residency certificate. From the 8th to the 27th of last month, she was with the child at her hometown 300 kilometers away, and never left. That is to say, the things you claim to have seen happened when my client wasn't even in this city.
Witness. Giving false testimony in court has legal consequences. Please be careful. Call witness Li Jianjun to testify.
I'm Li Jianjun. I'm Zhou Mingyuan's cousin.
Mr. Li, you heard Miss Zhang Guifang's testimony and the judge's reminder, right?
Yes, I did.
Then please tell the court, did you ever see Shen Wanning neglect her child?
No, I didn't. I didn't see anything.
Li Jianjun, how can you lie? Have you forgotten who helped you before?
Your Honor, he forced me. He came to me and told me to say what he said. Just insist that Shen Wanning isn't stable, so the kid would be given to Zhou Mingyuan. I just made a mistake.
Order. No outbursts from the gallery. Remove the person disrupting the court.
Your Honor, we have new evidence to submit.
New evidence?
Yes. This evidence shows why the defendant used improper means to influence the trial. I request to play a recording.
Objection. Those are false allegations. The recording's origin is unknown and its authenticity is unverified.
Objection overruled. Permission granted.
Your Honor, our side verified that the person in the recording is not a legitimate mediator. He was commissioned by the defendant's lawyer to induce testimony.
The defendant's lawyer is suspected of illegally obtaining evidence and inducing false testimony. This court will duly record it and file a formal investigation with the Bar Association. The court is now in recess for 30 minutes.
Zhou Mingyuan, look what you and your family have done. Because of you, my career is affected.
Attorney Wang. Attorney Wang, what do we do now? Help me.
Help you? I can't. I can't represent this case anymore. My assistant will handle the follow-up with you.
Attorney Wang, don't leave. What do I do without you?
Order. Defendant, your lawyer has terminated representation. The court grants you time to prepare. The trial will resume at 2 p.m. You may hire another lawyer. Or represent yourself. Do you understand? Court is adjourned.
Lawyer Lee, this is Joe Mingyuan. About that previous case. What? You? Lawyer Zhang? I have a divorce case. The situation is,
Mr. Zhou, everyone knows about your case now. It involves trial disputes. I cannot get involved. Please find someone else.
Defendant, please proceed with your self-defense.
she married me, so she's part of our family. The family's money should be shared. My mom spent some money. There's nothing wrong with that.
The defendant has repeatedly claimed that my client's funds were all used for family expenses. Then let's take a look. The actual whereabouts of that money. This is the defendant's personal bank statement during the marriage. On the 7th of October 2021, the defendant spent $12,429 at a watch store. That same day, my client was at the hospital for her last prenatal checkup alone. From November to December 2021, the defendant donated to a live streaming account a total of $17,657. During this period, my client was in postpartum recovery. To reduce household expenses, she did not hire a maternity nurse. All care relied on herself and family. These expenses, totaling over $30,000, are they consistent with the defendant's claim of family expenses? Are they consistent?
Defendant, regarding this evidence, do you need to explain? Court is adjourned.
Mingyuan? How is it? Is the result okay? Say something. What's going on? How could you be so clueless? That money was set aside to get you a new car. I didn't mean it that way.
So it was funds intended for a personal vehicle purchase. Mr. Zhou, Miss Zhou, thank you for clarifying the key facts of this case. Your Honor, the facts are now very clear. This is not an ordinary marital property dispute. Rather, the defendant, with support from family, has long appropriated my client's personal assets for non-household expenses.
Order in the court. The facts of the case are clear. The evidence is sufficient. This court will render its verdict at a later date. Court is adjourned.
This matter has already caused a huge stir online.
Hello, Mr. Lee.
Joe Mingyuan, your recent family dispute has impacted the company. After review, we are temporarily suspending your duties. We suggest you properly handle your personal affairs before further arrangements are made.
What are you lying there for? It's just a lawsuit. We can still go through the normal process.
Mom, I lost my job.
What? No job? Then how will we live? The money, what about our accounts? The case is over, we can use it now, right?
The judgment is clear. We have to pay her back. The accounts are frozen during enforcement.
I don't care about that. You figure something out. Go talk to her.
Mom, it's pointless now.
If talking doesn't work, I'll go ask relatives and friends for help. Uncle, it's me.
I'm busy now. Gotta go.
Little sis? Mingyuan's in a bit of trouble.
Sis, I'm a bit tight myself, can't really help. Sorry.
Everyone knows about your family's situation. We can't help either.
Now, are you satisfied? What do you mean by that? Blame me? Shouldn't you reflect on yourself?
Who do I do this for? If you hadn't handled things badly, would we have ended up like this?
If it weren't for you arguing about living expenses from the start, would things have become like this today? Why can't I call you out? Since I was young, what have I ever decided myself? The things I like, you won't let me do. And the person I like, you won't accept her. Marrying Shen Wanning, isn't it because you think she's gentle and easy to get along with? What do you take me for? A puppet for you to control?
I was doing it for your own good. Without me, would you have gotten this far? I've given my whole life for you. And this is how you treat me?
For my own good? Yes, I am indeed indecisive. Because you never wanted me to be independent. You only wanted a son who always obeys you. You love to arrange things, don't you? Now look what you've done. You've arranged our lives into nothing. Are you satisfied now?
You're out of line.
My dear mother.
What are you doing? Stop it.
You scold me for wasting money. What about you? Taking Shen Wanning's 300,000 dowry to buy a 30,000 yuan designer bag to show off to your friends, and spent 50,000 yuan on a trip to Sanya. Then turned around and asked her mum for 15,000 yuan for accommodation. You treat her like a free money tree, and me like a puppet that only listens to you.
I did it all for you. But you use the family's money to tip those streamers. You think I don't know? When have you ever had this family in your heart? Or Shen Wanning and the child?
Family? This family was ruined by you long ago. You argued with my dad your whole life. He said the biggest regret of his life was marrying you. You controlled him his whole life. And now you want to control me my whole life. Wanning, I was wrong. I was so wrong. Please give me another chance, okay? Wanning, please, I beg you. For the sake of the child, I know I was wrong. I shouldn't have listened to my mum about everything. Forgive me, I'm willing to change. I'll pay you back. As long as you come back. We can start over. Wanning, say something. Our years of relationship, was it all fake? You can't be so heartless.
Zhou Mingyuan, listen to me. Your apology, I don't accept it, because you're not apologizing to me. You're apologizing to the life you're about to lose. It's not about one thing you did wrong, not the expenses, not the online controversy. What's wrong is your selfishness and cowardice, and your lack of backbone. Your problem is rooted so deep, there's no fixing it. Between us, it's long been over. Lawyer Lin.
Wanning. The verdict is in.
Lawyer Lin. What's the result?
We won. The court has ruled. Your divorce is granted. Child custody goes to you. Most importantly, Zhou Mingyuan must within 30 days return your 300,000 yuan dowry in full. If he fails to comply, the court will enforce the judgment and handle the property involved.
Lawyer Lin, thank you. Really, thank you so much.
You deserve this, Wanning. Your calmness and courage won all of this.
Mom, it's over. We won.
Good. Good, that's good.
It's over. Everything is over.
Son, we'll appeal. We have to appeal. I won't let her get what she wants.
Mom. It's no use. She has all the evidence. What can we appeal with?
Evidence? Shen Wanning is just ungrateful. Tearing down our renovation, taking my grandson, and driving us to despair. I refuse to believe there's no justice in this world.
Right. Mom, you're right. We can't just let this go. Appeal.
Sorry, we're completely booked right now. I know about your case.
Sorry, we can't take it. Mr. Zhou. The facts were clear in the first trial. An appeal won't change much.
Can't find a lawyer. Then we'll write it ourselves. Shen Wanning is cunning. She deliberately stirred up family conflict.
The 300,000 dowry was a voluntary payment. Now she's turning around and biting us, demanding 500,000 in emotional damages.
See? This is their last struggle. Wanning, you don't need to worry about anything. This kind of material, in the eyes of the appellate judge, has no legal effect whatsoever.
I understand. Some people will never look inward for the reasons.
What are you doing?
We are from the Court Enforcement Division. According to the final judgment, we are here to appraise this property for subsequent judicial disposal.
Who are you? Who are you people? Get out. All of you, get out.
Ma'am, please calm down. We are from the Court Enforcement Division, carrying out official duties.
I don't care who you are. This is my home. My house. This is outrageous. Law enforcement bullying the common people. Thieves breaking in to steal our house.
Ma'am, this is my final warning. Your actions seriously obstruct official duties. According to the law, resisting enforcement can result in a fine, detention, and if it constitutes a crime, criminal prosecution.
Mom.
The house. They're taking it away. The money, Shen Wanning took that too. Ming Yuan, we have nothing left. No, we still have one thing, the most important thing. My grandson, the bloodline of the Zhou family. They took our house. So, I'll take back my grandson. I will never let him grow up with that selfish, extreme woman. I remember. Last time I went to her parents' house, I saw a key hanging by the door, her mother's. Right, that brass one. Tomorrow I'll get a duplicate made.
What are you doing? Put the baby down. Kidnapping. Someone's taking the baby. Help. Someone's stealing the baby.
Isn't that Mrs. Zhou? How can you snatch a child? That's too much.
What you're doing is unacceptable.
Stay back, all of you. This is my Zhou family's grandson. No one's taking him.
Baby. Let him go.
No way, this is my grandson.
Fine. Hello, is this 911? I'd like to report a crime. Someone broke into my home and snatched the baby in my care. The address is...
Freeze. What's going on?
Officer, you be the judge. He's my grandson. My own grandson. I just wanted to see him.
Ma'am, please calm down. Put the baby down. It's dangerous to hold him while struggling.
I'm not letting go. He's the Zhou family's heir. It's them, the mother and daughter, who won't let me see my grandson.
Officer, she is indeed the baby's grandmother. But what she's doing now is illegal.
Law? The law. I don't care about the law, all I know is he's my grandson.
Restrain her.
Police brutality. You're ganging up with her to bully an old lady like me.
Ma'am, please calm down. Cooperate with us. Your actions have violated the law. Please come with us to the police station for investigation.
Zhou Mingyuan, your mom was taken away by the police.
Mum? Arrested?
Your mother has been sentenced to 15 days of administrative detention.
Are you Mr. Zhou Mingyuan? This is the Municipal Intermediate People's Court. We are notifying you that the appeal you filed has its second hearing date confirmed. It's in 3 days. Appellant Zhou Mingyuan, state the grounds for your appeal.
I request the reversal of the first instance verdict. Shen Wanning, her postpartum condition is unstable. She's unfit to care for the child. Awarding her custody would harm the child's development. Also, that $300,000 is marital property. It shouldn't be returned. I demand.
Marital property? Then what about your embezzlement of over $200,000? Used to tip streamers and buy luxury goods. Is that considered joint marital squandering? Respondent. Please present your defense.
Your Honor, regarding the appellant's unoriginal arguments, we have nothing further to add. Here, we submit a new piece of evidence. This is from 3 days ago, the administrative detention ruling from the Bureau. It states that the appellant Zhou Mingyuan's mother, Miss Zhang Alien, for forcibly taking the child in the respondent's custody and obstructing official duties, has been sentenced to 15 days of administrative detention.
Appellant, you keep saying your family is more suitable for the child, but your mother used force to snatch a newborn baby, placing him in danger, and even broke the law. Is this what you call suitable?
Son. How's the house? Shen Wanning, she hasn't been bothering us, right?
See for yourself.
Auction. No, impossible. This is my house.
The final verdict is in. Upheld the original ruling. The house is already listed online. The auction starts next week. Mom.
She's been revived. Sudden stroke. No immediate danger, but the after effects are severe. Brain vessel blockage caused nerve damage. Paralysis on the right side. Speech is also affected. Long-term rehab therapy will be needed.
Bro, I heard Aunt had an accident. Are you okay? I told sister-in-law Wanning about it. She
Mom. Mom, it's all over. From today on, we'll live our own peaceful, happy life.
Aunt, from now on, you must rest well. Don't overwork yourself. Health is the foundation.
Hello, may I ask who the insurance is for? What kind of coverage are you looking for?
For my mother. Focus on medical and accident coverage. She's worked hard her whole life. It's time someone ensured her security in her later years. I couldn't do it before, but now, it's my turn to protect her. Mom, sign this policy. From now on, when you see a doctor, you won't have to worry about money. Your daughter will take care of you, protect you. Hello.
Is this teacher Shen Wanning? This is editor Wang Hai.
Hello, Editor Wang. Is there a problem with the manuscript?
No problem, it's great news. Wanning, your novel, Cocoon, has caught the eye of a film company. They're interested in buying the film adaptation rights.
Editor Wang, you're not joking with me, are you?
I'm telling you seriously, why would I joke? Go check your author backend. Cocoon has gone viral. It's skyrocketing in popularity.
I've never been a weak person who depends on others. I'm a creator. I write my own life story. Editor Wang.
Wanning, what do you think? This time we're working with the well-known Boulder Pictures. They're very sincere. And the initial offer is quite generous. They want to meet you in person to discuss the adaptation details. They're very earnest.
Okay, I'm willing to talk. You set the time and place.
Great. The company headquarters is in City S. They'd like to invite you to City S next week for a face-to-face meeting. Would that work for you? Wanning, are you still there?
Wanning.
They've asked me to meet in City S.
Are you afraid to go back there?
I don't want to set foot there again. I'm afraid that if I go back, all those painful memories will come flooding back.
That's exactly why you need to go back. You go back, not to dwell on the pain, but to truly tell yourself that you've already moved past the shadows and become a brand new you.
Mom, I'll listen to you. I'll go back. I'll come tomorrow.
Go ahead without worry. I've got things covered at home. Remember, you're heading towards a new future. Not looking back at past pain.
Next stop, City S Station. Welcome to City S.
Miss, where to?
Driver, please take me to Jinghu Spring Community. Hey,
Miss Shen, we're here. We're waiting for you at Left Bank Cafe, on the corner outside the neighborhood.
okay, I'll be right there.
Hello, Miss Shen, I'm Wang Hai. I've read your work carefully. It's very powerful. Really moving.
You flatter me, Editor Wang.
Our company has high hopes for this work. Here's the preliminary copyright transfer proposal. Please take a look.
Editor Wang, I have no issue with the price. I can see your company's sincerity, but there are a few terms I'd like to discuss further. Regarding the film adaptation rights, I want to retain script advisory rights, and on changes to core character settings and the ending, have significant advisory power.
Miss Shen, that's usually...
I can't accept my female protagonist. After all that growth, finally compromising for market appeal. Also, the copyright term, I'd like to change it from perpetual to 10 years. After 10 years, the rights automatically revert to the author. And the payment method, the upfront payment needs to be increased to 50%. My lawyer tells me this is a more sincere and secure way for both parties to cooperate.
Miss Shen, the points you raised are very professional. Veto power might be difficult, but I can apply to the company to have you serve as the chief literary consultant for the project. You'll be involved in the script writing throughout. As for the term and upfront payment, I think that's negotiable. Miss Shen, looking forward to working together. Honestly, I'm really curious. The female lead in your story, so clear-headed and resilient, is there a real-life inspiration?
I suppose so. It's a shared experience of many women.
Wanting look Xiaobao can say mom now.
Really? Say it again for Mom.
Sister-in-law, my brother. He wants to see the baby, just a glance from afar, okay?
Wanting. Why aren't you sleeping late at night? What happened? He has the nerve to see the baby? Wanting, don't mind him. Our family and theirs have cut ties long ago.
Mom, don't get worked up. I don't want to see him either. But I'm thinking, what about when Xiaobao grows up? Blood ties can't be broken.
Mom knows it's hard for you. Mom will listen to you. No matter what decision you make, Mom will support you. But you must protect yourself and Xiaobao.
Okay, but I have 3 conditions. First, in a public place, I choose the time and place. Second, I have to be there the whole time. Third, no physical contact.
My son, my home, all gone.
It's all in the past.
You're back. Go wash your hands and eat. I made your favorite corn and pork rib soup. Today, did everything go well?
Yeah, he came, and he left. From far away, nothing happened. Mom, it's all in the past. I have you now, and Xiaobao, and a new career. I'm fine, really. This first payment for my writing should give Mom a real home.
This place is really nice. Your friend really knows how to pick a spot.
Mom, come in.
Oh my. Such a nice floor. We don't want to get it dirty.
Mom, open it and take a look.
This. Wanting. This house is. Is it ours?
Yes, it's our home. I bought it with my royalties. Mom, look at that yard. It's all yours from now on. You can plant whatever you want. No one can ever kick us out again.
Good kid. My good child. Mom's whole life. It was worth it.
New life begins. Hey,
Sister-in-law. Something's wrong. A big problem.
slow down. What happened?
It's my aunt. She's gone missing. This morning my brother went out to buy breakfast. When he came back, she was gone. She was paralyzed on one side. She only recently started walking with the wall.
This is your family matter. Why are you coming to me?
No. She left a note. It's addressed to you. It says a lot of nasty things. My brother says she's very unstable. She must be going after you.
Take a photo of that note. Send it to me right now.
Sister-in-law.
Right now.
Shen Wanning. I won't let you off. I'll make you taste what it's like to have nothing.
Hey, officer. Hello. I want to report something. My ex-mother-in-law is missing. She left a threatening note. I'm afraid she might harm me or my family. Okay, thank you. Please increase patrols around my neighborhood.
Some residents reported that they saw an elderly person with a hunched back prowling around your house. We've arranged for security to step up patrols.
She really came. Mom. Pack up. Let's stay at a hotel for a few days.
Wanting, what's wrong?
Someone's prowling around our house. It's not safe here for now. Let's go to a hotel. We can't keep hiding. I've coordinated with the police on security. Next week's book signing can't be cancelled. I won't let her disrupt my life. Hello, officer. I'm Shen Wanning. Next Saturday I have a book signing at the downtown book mall. I'm worried about safety issues. I hope you can deploy officers to maintain order.
Okay, Miss Shen. We'll make arrangements in advance to ensure safety at the venue.
Hello, where would you like me to sign?
Shen Wanning. Why do you get to live so well?
Ma'am.
Let go of me. I want an explanation from her. She ruined my family. Ruined everything.
Mom, what are you doing? Mom, stop it. We've already lost. It's all over.
Hello.
Wanting on behalf of my brother and his mother, I want to say sorry to you. My brother, he has completely fallen apart. He said he knows he was wrong. Wrong beyond redemption. It was his cowardice and blind filial piety that destroyed his own family and hurt you and the child. He asked me to tell you that he will never appear in your and the child's lives again. His only request is that you take good care of the child. Forget about his family, Wanting, let the past be the past. You must take care of yourself. Start a new life.
Wanting. It's all over.
Mom. It's all over.